preparations are on. You can see that we just came to the airport to receive the Ghanaian team. They have landed and we had a seamless reception at the airport. The airport authorities were very cooperative and we thank them for that.
Okay, so there have been some reports that Nigerians received some form of hostility in Kumasi. Can you confirm or deny those reports?
You know, a match of this magnitude, you expect that it is going to be tensed, and the atmosphere was very tense, especially outside the stadium. But I can tell you that they are brothers. We interacted with them, and I don't think there is any cause for alarm. The first match was over. Let's concentrate on this second. Well, every Nigerian is aware of how important this is because we use football as a healing process. We use football to settle our political differences, our religious differences, and our ethnic differences. And therefore, nobody is joking with football as far as Nigeria is concerned. And the players are very much aware of the expectations of Nigeria from them, and they are leaving no stone unturned. We are calling on all Nigerians to pray for us and, of course, to support the team from the beginning to the end. Come out and support. Where you cannot come out physically to support, please follow us with prayer.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.